Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to manage Yahoo Mail inbox. So after you've opened your email account, you're gonna go here to the settings over at the top right. Then you're going to click on more settings, and over here at the side, you want to click on filters. Then you want to click on add new filters, and from here, you're going to create a filter in order for you to manage all of the emails that comes into your inbox. Like, let's say for example, I want to filter all of the emails that are related to my job or to my work. So over here at filter name, I'm just going to put work. Then over here at set rules, you're going to set the rules so that Yahoo can automatically filter out all of the emails in your inbox. So over here, you're going to select a filter criterion. So I'm just going to select on contains. Then over here in filter value, I can enter some keywords that I know are related to my work, or I know that included in emails that are sent to me from my work. So I'm just going to put that just for the sake of the tutorial. And then over here at 2, you can also filter where these emails come from. So just choose on contains over here. Then over at filter value, you can input the email addresses of those people from your work who are sending you work related emails, so that it could automatically filter out all of the emails from them. And you can also do the same in subject and in body. And then over here at the bottom, you're just going to choose a folder where you want to move all of these emails. So I'm just going to select work here, or you can also create a new folder. You're just going to have to put a folder name over here at the other side. And once you're done with that, just click on save, and that's it. Thanks for watching.